Takeout Makeover, quinoa fried rice. Who doesn't love fried rice? The problem is that when you order the dish in restaurants, it's usually made with white rice and can be loaded with fat and sodium. So I decided to perform a recipe resuscitation and make a healthier version of this Chinese restaurant staple. Day-old quinoa works best in this dish because the grains will be slightly dried out. If you use freshly cooked quinoa, your fried rice will end up being gummy. So plan ahead and make a batch of quinoa the night before. Or if you make it fresh, spread it out on a tray and let it cool in the refrigerator or freezer for a few hours before moving along with the rest of the recipe. Serves for 1 c quinoa, rinsed. 3 teaspoons safflower, peanut, or other neutral flavored oil. 2 eggs. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon minced ginger. 3 scallions, sliced, separated into whites and greens, plus extra for garnish. 1 1/2 c chopped carrots, broccoli, and peas. 2 tablespoons less sodium soy sauce or tamari. 2 teaspoons sesame oil. 1/2 teaspoon sriracha or other hot sauce, optional. 1. Place quinoa in saucepan with 2 cups water and bring to a boil. Lower heat to a simmer and cover. Cook 10 to 15 minutes. Remove from heat and let cool, ideally, overnight in refrigerator. 2. Prepare 1 teaspoon of the oil and wok over medium-high heat. Add eggs and season with salt and pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally, until firm. Break eggs into pieces with spatula and transfer to plate. 3. Heat remaining 2 teaspoons oil in wok. Add garlic, ginger, and scallion whites and cook until fragrant, 2 to 3 minutes. Add carrots, broccoli, and peas and cook a few minutes, stirring often, until crisp tender. 4. Add cooled quinoa and stir to combine. Add soy sauce, sesame oil, sriracha, scallion greens, and cooked egg and stir to combine. Garnish with additional scallion greens.